Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the Larlo, not Larlo, but Larlo. Drop the R everybody. I have had this officially confirmed now. This is the XDKJ006 and these are two controllers. We have the old one and we have the new one. The problem with the old one was the transmission distance was very bad, so we're just going to make sure that the new one has a decent transmission distance. So it's very simple. I'm going to drive this up until I lose connection, then I'll drive it back, change the batteries from the old one to the new one, and then see if we can go further with the new one. Let's get on. As you can see, it is on. The car is moving and it's old. Let's go. Whoa, that is driving so far to one side. That's it. Oh, a little bit. No, that's it. So what's that? In between 3 and 4 from the end? Just look here, Colin. And then look at the car. Oh, it just had a burst of energy then. There you go, that shows it. Now look back at the car. So we're a second from the end, I'd say. So I'll lift my hands up and we'll get the car back. No! I hope it goes further. Power on, power off, and then power on. Let's see how far it goes. Sorry, that was my driving, not the transmitter. Oh, smidgen further, isn't it? I mean, it's not fantastic, is it? If you take a look at me, confirms that we're not going anywhere, and we've got a smidgen further. Right, okay. Even with me trying to do this, I can't get anything from it. So, yes, the new one is 4 meters better than the old one. I still don't think it's enough. You should be able to get a longer transmission distance than that. But am I the only one having the problem? Is the problem the receiver? I don't know. I'll have a word with Larlo and then, Larlo, must remember that. And then I'll report back in the description below on what the results were. Have a great day, take care of yourselves, hit that subscribe button, bye bye.